What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is John Hart. I haven't posted lately, but if you are watching me and you are following me, thanks for your subscribe and likes. I want to show you guys. This is the Friday on the 20th, November 20th. Just one thing that I like to do. I like to kind of analyze the SPX zero day to expired play. And today I'm going to show you guys real life trading, and I do have the position up and running. So I'm gonna switch over to my computer and then have you guys take a look what the trade that I did. So it's good credit, about 1350, but keep in mind the margin is 10 point is gonna be about 10,000. So we're gonna I'm gonna show you guys where to enter, and I'm gonna show you guys where to exit, so we can minimize the risks and enjoy the reward basically for Friday. So if you guys haven't followed me, feel free to follow, hit the subscribe and like buttons, and let's go over switch to the desktop. Okay, all right, we're live. Hey guys, welcome back. This is John Hart live trading here. We are looking at an SPX with 0 DTE, day to expire. So the play that I have is 35.50 on SPX, 35.50. Let me give you a couple move here. This guy, so 35.50, it's gonna be somewhere down here, right there. So I have the alert set up. The reason I choose the 35.50 is that it's when it's open, roughly about 25. When I enter, it's about 20 points. So let's take a look here. SPX now it's about 14. If you look at this on the right top, okay, I'm moving my cursor here. It was 20, and I choose 35.70 was the current price, or that at the time current price. And now 35.50, I choose 35.50, and then I'm selling 35.50, I'm buying 35.40, and then it's giving me about $1.35. So I have about 10 point position or 10 contract. So that's giving me about $1,350 credit. Now the market has been sideways like crazy today. It's very, very choppy, which is I expected. If we're gonna go up high again. We're gonna test that 35.80. Now, I do not want to wait until the whole market close. I mean, technically, I can just keep paying attention to it, but there's so many risks in the play, right? I'm putting $10,000 margin for the spread. The credit is only about 1350, so it's about 13%. So if you look at the risk reward is great, but the margin, the risk, it's bigger, right? And then it's 0 DTE. Now my goal is I'm gonna look at my, where is my, I'm gonna switch over to my other screen here, new share. We're gonna go to the profit here. All right, where are you? All right, so this is what we're looking at right here. So if you're looking at here, $1.35, 1,350. Now I'm getting about 875 profit, right? By looking at this play right here, just this block today, expired today. Now I do have set 25 cents to buy back. That will give me about 1,100 profit net, okay? So that's the play I have. I'm just gonna have to watch and let this market basically keep going up. Now let's go switch back again to the switch right there. So I'm hoping we're gonna test this double top right here. Okay, because if you look at this, we're almost break that. So NASDAQ is rotating, the 80 line is rotating, the volume is rotating. fix is depleting, which is good. So that's I'm hoping. So that's pretty much I have, and I'm gonna let this running and let you guys decide. And if you have any question, please comment below, and you guys can enjoy Friday. And next week is Thanksgiving, so we're gonna be expecting it's gonna be more choppy next week as well. And maybe, you know, market is gonna fly up a little bit before we have another turbulence down, and then we keep going up towards the end of the year. So that is my expectation. We're not gonna go much far, go down and go up. A lot of choppiness here since last week, so it's gonna keep continue doing that. That's pretty much I have, and I hope you guys enjoy your Friday and happy weekend.